Hello children, today we will learn about ordinal numbers. Okay, so what is ordinal number? Ordinal number shows the position of an object. So wherever there is any object, this ordinal number shows its position in ordered sequence. Just like if you participate in fancy dress competition at school, we used to declare you as first, second, third, right? So all these are called ordinal numbers. Okay, so for better understanding of this concept, let me show you a video. Watch it nicely and learn it. Okay, so here is the video. There are 10 animals living near this pond. Okay, so one day all of them have organized a running competition to see who is the fastest among all. Okay, so all of them are standing at the start position. Now the race begins. See, horse and dog are running very fast. So they complete the race and we can see horse at first and dog at second position. Okay, even camel and elephant also running quite fast. So camel at third position and elephant at fourth position to complete the race. Okay, now the bear is also running and he is at fifth position and cow is at sixth position. And see, the sheep and rabbit look very tired, right? They are unable to run, so they run slowly, where sheep at seventh position and rabbit at eighth position. I can see tortoise and pig are running very slow because they are the slowest and laziest animal. So they reach lately. So tortoise at ninth position and pig at 10th position. So with this, race end. Okay, now let us look at the winning position of this animal. The horse was very fast, right? So he came first. So horse is in first position. F-I-R-S-T, first. Okay, and the dog came in second position. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. The camel is at third position, right? So T-H-I-R-D, third. Okay, the elephant is at fourth position. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Okay, the bear came fifth, right, in the race. So F-I-F-T-H, fifth. The cow came sixth, right? So S-I-X-T-H, sixth. The sheep is at seventh position. Okay, so S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. The rabbit is at eighth position. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. Okay, the tortoise came at ninth position, right, in the race. So N-I-N-T-H, ninth. Okay, the pig is at 10th position. So T-E-N-T-H, 10th. Okay, always remember that in the first, F-I-R-S-T. Okay, we will put in the end S-T. In the second also S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Okay, and third T-H-I-R-D, third. From fourth till 10th, you have to put T-H in the every ending, just like see, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Even in the fifth also, F-I-F-T-H, fifth, right? So from 4 till 10, you have to put T-H in the ending, okay? Because you already know the number names, right? So you have to put T-H in from 4 till 10, okay? Let me give you another example, okay? It's very easy. The example will be with word butterfly, okay? So let me write here butterfly. Now let's count how many letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so if I ask you, where is the position of F? Okay, where is the position of F? Yes, F is in 7th position. So F is 7th position. Okay, so you watch it nicely, learn the spellings, okay, and try to know what is ordinal and submit it as an homework. Okay, bye bye.